going to share how you can create a portfolio website using iPage. So iPage is an all-in-one hosting, domain, and website builder site that I discovered and have been using for Writing Hacks Academy and my other websites. So if you go to www.ipage.com, you'll see that they have a special introductory offer at $199 per month. So that's almost 100 pesos per month if converted to peso. Let's click Get Started and see the features of the hosting and domain that they provide. I had my other tabs ready in case the load time will be slow. Alright. This one, I'm just showing you to give you an idea of how much it will cost you to set up your website. So if you see the billing information, assuming that I'll register a domain, they have free domain for 1 year, and purchase the hosting for 3 years at $199, the total money I'll spend will be $137. So 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. Just get your calculator to convert US dollars to pesos. But it's cheaper if you get the hosting for 3 years. But if you want to minimize the cost, this can be lowered up to $100 if you'll just get 1 year for hosting. So other important features of websites like security, backup, SSL certificate is also included in this package. So it's up to you to browse through these parts of setting up your website and purchasing the account. Let me give you a glimpse of what's inside the control panel as soon as you have your own account. I mentioned earlier that this is 3-in-1. iPage offers hosting, domain, and also a website builder. If you go to the control panel, simply click Website Builder for their free website builder tool. When you go to the control panel, simply click the website builder to avail their free drag and drop website building tool. But if you prefer to connect the account with your own content management system like WordPress and Weebly, you may also do so. So iPage would allow you to connect with WordPress also without charge. But I want you to take advantage of their website builder offer because it comes with the package that you'll purchase if ever you choose iPage. So you'll go to this page after clicking the website builder. I'm just showing you some of the websites that I have connected with iPage. So they have free credits for your website building tool, and this is how it looks like on the inside. I just want to show you how easy it will be to design your own website without having a web designer to do everything for you. If you have time to study this and if you feel that you have an idea of how your website will look like, then it's good to maximize iPage website builder offer. Okay, I'm showing you one of my websites, ebook-writer.online. And I'm just minimizing the screen so that you can view how it looks. So this is the home page of my website. I just simply wrote my call to action, the services that I offer, a little about me, and some client reviews. But I want to show you how easy it is to create one of the pages. Let's navigate through the menus to see what elements you can include. If you need a people checkout button, shapes, images, or videos, you can find that under elements. Pages will give you an idea of the pages your website has. iPage's free website builder is good for up to 6 pages. If you will add more pages, such as for your blog post, you need to purchase their plan and make payments. Now let's proceed to sections. What's good about this part is it contains templates that you can add to your website, such as header, meaning what do you want to see on top of your website. Since our plan is to make a portfolio, let's have this one. Later, you can edit the photo here. By the way, I included the image of the coffee and paper by using the Design tab. Under Images, I just picked the option with a paper and coffee. So, going back to section so we can complete our page. Okay, so we just added our header. Next part is the footer. How do you want the bottom part of your website to look like? So assuming that you want a simple footer with your company logo and some links, we can replace it with this one. Okay. Although I have a previous one made, you can simply delete this to make way for the new one. Okay. Now I'm not saving it because I want to retain my first design, but I suggest that as you move along and design your web page, keep pressing the save button. Okay, so we now have the header, the footer. If you want images of your sample work, they also have a gallery template. Let's say as a writer, you want to post links to your sample blog posts. Just drop the section there and then click the images to upload the photos or images of the blog post you have written for clients. Alright, just scroll down the entire section menu so that you won't be skipping what to write. Okay. You can put a little information about you here. It can be below the images or sample work, or it can be above. So just simply click move up or move down. We're adding another section. We're done with images and text and buttons. If you want to put videos, simply click video and text. About me, this can be your profile. since she's the person we picked for the header, so it can be the same. Alright. The sample I'm making is a portfolio website for freelancing or for solopreneurs, but if it's for your products or services, you can also choose from the existing templates here. Let's say your company would want to boast or share about your skills or how you help your clients grow their business. We have existing charts that you can add. I'm basically playing around the menu, but you can also do so. If you want to write testimonials, they have a Meet My Team option. You can simply replace Meet My Team with client testimonials and the actual photos of your clients. We're almost done. Last would be a call to action. If you want them to subscribe or to contact you, we have that box available here, and that's what we will put on the bottom of your website. So we'll just delete the remaining blank section. Alright, this is how your website will look like. Now, what's good about iPage is you can also customize the content to make it mobile friendly. So using this button, you can view how your website will look like in mobile device, and you can make some arrangements to customize it. Simply click advanced. For example, you want to minimize the text because it's too big. You can simply change how the wording or text size will appear, including the colors. Alright, don't forget to click preview before you publish so that you're sure your website is how you want it to appear on mobile screen or laptop and desktop. When you're finished, publish your website. So that's it for our mini tutorial on how you can create your own portfolio website using iPage. Thank you for watching.